are at Kachiang. We had a wedding to attend at Coach Bihar. We came at Coach Bihar, attended the wedding, still got 1 day and a half, and we had nothing to do, so we decided to visit Darjeeling. Yesterday was a wedding. We slept very late. I got really little sleep, really tired. The journey was totally hectic, but
If you're getting this kind of view on your way, it wipes out all your tiredness.
I didn't eat much at breakfast, so our driver Dada suggested to have something at Persian Tourist Lodge. Let's see how is the food. We are really hungry.
As our driver Dada suggested, we have ordered chicken momo. Our food is getting prepared and this is a view from the dining area. I still don't know about the other places, but the taste of the momo here was average. We started our journey at 8 am in the morning from Dinhata, which is situated at Coach Bihar, and now it is already 3:30 pm in the afternoon and finally we have reached.
So this is our stay for today and tomorrow. We are at Summit Swiss Heritage Hotel and Spa.
I'll go straight to our room because I am super duper tired.
Good morning guys, today is our day 2 at Darjeeling. We woke up 8 in the morning, we are done with our breakfast and you just look at the view. So, today our plan is we will rush to first Lamharta Eco Park, then Lovers Meet Point, Peshok Tea Garden, Triveni Tista River, river rafting. Let's go. We were down there and we came all the way up here to see a lake. There is a sacred water body over here. Let's see how is the view. So this is a view that you will get after reaching the peak.
Our next stop is at Lovers View Point, and you can see that is Tista River, where we will be doing river rafting. Cost of this water activity varies from 3,500 to 5,000 depending on the duration.
हाँ ये आगे हाँ.
Also, if you want photographs and videos, then you have to pay separately. I do have a severe problem. Whenever I am at some beautiful place, my inner dancer wakes up. Day 3 at Darjeeling, and you guess where I am.
So right now I'm at Batashia Loop. Batashia Loop is a place from where you can get the view of the whole Darjeeling. You can borrow binoculars here and enjoy the view of whole Darjeeling. These narrow gauge lines are of toy train. I really wanted to try toy train ride, but after COVID, the toy train service has not started yet.
We will try to explore as much as we can, but time in our hand is limited and that is the problem.
We are entering Gopal Dhara Tea Garden. This is nearly 5 to 6 kilometers away from Mirik. It's quite windy over here. We are at a place called Jodhpukuri. This is on the way to Sandakphu, but we are not going to Sandakphu, we are going to Mirik, and via Mirik we'll return back to Kolkata. We will reach to Bagdogra and then we'll return back to Kolkata. Some people are feeding some ducks over there.
It was not possible to visit all the places in a short span of 1.5 days. So with a heavy heart, we said goodbye to Darjeeling and promised to see her again very soon. Hey guys, so that's it about my Darjeeling vlog. I'm definitely not recording this from Darjeeling. I'm back at home. I hope you have enjoyed watching my videos. So do not forget to like, comment and share. I will meet you again in my next video. Until then, tata.